Bros, welcome to the video, welcome to my channel. Today I got this here caddy, guys. I'm going to change the timing belt and I'm going to show you how to do it. This cargo caddy is pretty rare because it's a gasoline engine. It has a 1.4 gasoline engine, guys. Pretty rare, especially in cargo vans. So really cool. Hope you enjoy it. Let's go, guys. I'm going to change the timing belt here. The plan, to be honest, is pretty simple. You have to gain access to the belt first. So you have to take off the accessory drive belt, some plastics and a motor mount. That's pretty easy. You have to jack up the engine a little bit to get the weight of this guy and just take it off. It's pretty easy. You have to take the wheel off and the inner wheel arch to gain access. So that's what we'll do first, and then I'll show you from there. Bros, there's a hidden bolt here, so I wanted to show you guys. This cover can break pretty easily if you yank on it too hard. So here's the motor mount, here's the bolt. So it's 10mm, guys, so let's go. Okay, guys, it's time to set the timing of the timing belt. I don't have the special tools, but you can use 8mm drill. And there's a lip. You just have to feel for it. It needs to go in deep enough. That's what she said. So this camshaft is now on timing, so let's go, guys. This goes well, so that's perfect. Alright, bros, I ran into a little problem. This central bolt, man, it was super tight. So I made a special tool to hold this guy, and used some pipe to leverage this guy, and then it came undone. But before it came undone, it wanted to lift up the engine, so I remounted the engine mount. But it worked, so I'm used to struggling. Guys, if you run into stuff like this, you just have to keep at it. Just slowly progress in how much force you're willing to put on stuff, and you will win. Let's go. Alright, guys, I have full access now. Don't fight that crankshaft bolt with these guys in. You're gonna destroy some stuff. So I'm sorry I wasn't clear on that. There's one tooth on this crankshaft pulley this it has a small, what do you say, indent, whatever, that marks timing. So make sure it's on there. These guys fit in there loosely like this, and then you're good to go, guys. Timing belt is on. After you tension it, you should spin it 2 revolutions of the crank to make sure nothing hits each other in the engine, and after just check if the tension is still correct. So you can see down below here, there's just a little arrow, should be pointing to the middle. So yeah man, the hole is perfect, it's on the timing mark. Camshaft too, so good to go guys. bros. Timing belt is changed. Last thing to do is bleed the coolant system and do a first start. So yeah guys, these are all the parts I changed. So let's go. Alright bros, time belt change is done. Happy with the result. Bleeding the air. You just have to drive till it's hot enough to have the fan kick in. But make sure you have the heater on high. Because there might be an air pocket in the heater core. So yeah guys, check over your work when you're done. And you should be able to enjoy the car for many more miles. So yeah guys, I hope you enjoyed this little video here. Thanks for watching. I hope to see you in the next one.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Bye bye.